Birthdays. Who doesn't like them? Our birthdays are those special days which we all love. We call our friends, we celebrate, we have lots of fun, and then once they get over, we wait for the next one. This Python program here will tell us a little bit more about our birthday. For example, it asks me which year I was born in. So I say 1977. Which month? 1 for January, 2 for February, and so on. So I say 1. And then I tell 31 because that is a day in that month. Now, once I do this, it tells me I might have forgotten which day of the week it was. Yes, indeed, I had forgotten, but it tells me it was a Monday. It goes on to tell me that my next birthday will be on 2020 in 2023, 31st January 2023. That will be a Tuesday. And just to keep my excitement alive, it says my next birthday is 68 days, 17 hours, 10 minutes, and 56, 55, 54 seconds away because now it's running a countdown, which is what we mean by the birthday countdown. Now, clearly, this Python project has a lot of things for us to learn, and that's why we will be building this in the next few videos. Really, there are lots and lots of concepts that we are going to cover in this. Let's briefly look at the key learning objectives from this. We are going to learn about the data types, for example, strings, integers, floats, and so on. Converting between them, we are going to understand about a little bit more about operators in relation to data types. We are going to look at this very interesting and useful module called datetime. And in the process, we are going to get a basic understanding of objects. We are going to use lists, if-else statement. In the process, we are going to learn about indentation. Going forward, we are going to also use a bunch of other operators, and we'll see how we use a while loop and how do we create the \r, in a print statement to create the dynamic print along with the time module. So there's really a lot of things we are going to do. We are going to divide this into two parts because I also want to cover the concepts carefully. In the first part, our program will just tell us which year will our birthday be. Will it be this year or will it be next year? And then in the subsequent part, we are going to build this countdown. So stay with me. Lots of concepts, and a lot of fun. Take care. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.